Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. From here, click the Pages button on the left side panel. You will then see a list of all the pages of your website. Put your mouse over the page you would like to edit and an Edit button should show up, then click on that Edit button. This will lead you to the back-end page editor. To make it easier, we will use the Visual Front-End Editor. Click on the Build on the Front-End button. After it's finished loading, you will be in the Visual-based Front-End Editor where you can quickly and easily edit your website. Now that you are in the Front-End Editor, you can edit anything easily. We will start by editing the text. To do this, you can simply click twice on any text you would like to edit. This should bring up the blinking text insertion cursor. You can now freely edit as you wish. If clicking twice does not work, another way to edit any module is to click on it once and then a gray ribbon should appear. Then click on the gear icon in that gray ribbon. This will bring up the settings pop-up for that module where you can now make any edits that you wish. When you are done, be sure to click on the Save button at the bottom right to save and publish your changes. All of the modules on your pages have a module settings pop-up that you can access by clicking once on the module to get the gray ribbon to appear, then click on the gear icon in the gray ribbon. The settings pop-up will now appear. Most of the editing you will likely want to do can be done from the first tab called Content, which opens up by default. Here you can adjust the settings for that particular module. Most of the headings are self-explanatory. The two other tabs are Design and Advanced. Since we have already designed the website for you, you shouldn't need to adjust anything in the Design tab. However, feel free to explore and make changes if you desire. You will likely not need to change anything in the Advanced tab, but you are welcome to explore. Remember, after you make any changes, to click the Save button at the bottom right to save and publish your changes. To edit an image that is not a background image, click once on the image to bring up the gray ribbon. Then click on the gear icon to bring up the image settings pop-up. In the image settings pop-up, click on the image to bring up the Choose an Image pop-up. Then click the Upload Files tab and then the Select Files button to browse for your image file. After selecting your image file from your computer, you will then be taken to the Media Library tab. Click on the blue Upload an Image button to save the new image. Finally, click on the green checkmark in the Image Settings pop-up to confirm the change. Remember, after you make any changes, to click the Save button at the bottom right to save and publish your changes. To change a background image, click on the background image on an open spot away from any modules. This will bring up the blue ribbon. Select the gear icon. In the Section Settings pop-up, click on the background header to open the Background Settings section, then click on the image in there to open the Choose a Background Image pop-up. Select the Upload Files tab, then click the Select Files button and browse for your file. After selecting your image file from your computer, you will then be taken to the Media Library tab. Click on the blue Upload an Image button to change the image. Finally, click on the green checkmark in the Image Settings pop-up to confirm the change. Remember, after you make any changes, to click the Save button at the bottom right to save and publish your changes.